gentlemen and gentle persons. Today we're doing a review on this FirstAlert. The model is P1210 photoelectric smoke alarm. We got this one at Lowe's. So, see, I'm going to show you something. This is not activated. This is activated. Now I'll show you. It's not activated. And then I'll show you. Okay. And then I just click it on, but when I open it, it's activated, and it's a nice feature I noticed. So basically you just have to click it on, and then it activates. Now I've also noticed another nice feature. Let me test it. The code 3 goes on as long as you hold down the button, so I can keep this going on forever. Look at that strobe though. Okay, so I also want to talk about this. This is all for my science fair. This one also works. I'll just test this one. I'll do a review on this one later. It's lower pitch, so I'm going to get back. Because this one... Look at this. So I'm going to put this away. I can't figure out how to get the mounting. Oh, I got it off. Oh, yay. Yeah, I couldn't figure out how to get the tab to work, so... that's sad. I don't know what that does. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick mini test with this boy. So I'm gonna slide. Oh, so here's the mounting plate, guys. It is nice looking, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna click on the mounting plate. The mounting plate is really. This is gonna be like the shortest video I've ever done. So okay, so the mounting plate's on. And I'm going to show you. I just have to click this right here. The loudness of this horn is insane. I'm also going to show you, here's the FirstAlerts that were in the house before. It's this model right here. It's I forget the model. It is oh, this is a really old alarm, but I'm trying to figure out. Because this is FirstAlert. It's I think it's 9C9120B. These were in our house. And it's as loud as this for... They have the same horn, but... only a feature. This one... I'll show you code 3. Ready? Go on. Can you go off? It's having battery problems, isn't it? Okay, click it. There we go. See? This is CO and... Okay, this is CO... This is CO and smoke. Ionization. Okay, yeah, horn, and then it only does code 3 2 times, and then it goes code 4 2 times. That's it, basically. Now, this one just does code 3 once. No, 2 times. Oh yeah. So, this is Amtrak 90 Sand, buying out.